Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. It's me, Mikey. Today I'm going to be fitting my skin system from Lavivid. I have only worn this once and it was time to do a regroom and I thought, let's put this one back on. Really excited. So today I'm going to be doing a different type of fitting. I don't normally fit my systems like this, so we'll see how we go. First things first, I wash the base and make sure that that's nice and clean. I did already wash it when I took it off the first time I wore it. However, I thought it would be a good idea to wash it again before putting it back on. And then, of course, you've got to rinse it. You want to get all of that soap off. I don't tend to use conditioner at this stage, just because you don't want to get conditioner on the base because it will interfere with the hold of your glue. And then I just nice and gently dry that off with a towel, as you can see. So now then it's time for me to shave my patch. I do this with a pair of clippers and I do this to the shortest setting that they go. I start from the front to the back. I used to use razors or electric razors that would get your hair to the scalp. But I found that that was actually irritating my scalp. So I decided to stop doing it and just use the clippers. I don't find too much of a difference in the longevity of the stick. However, other people may tell you different, but this is just my experience. I've found that this works for me just fine. And so I use a little hand mirror to be able to do the back of my head. And I do it in reverse and it's quite confusing, but I manage it somehow. I don't ask me how. I just seem to have got the knack of moving the wrong direction to what my brain wants my hand to move in. It took a few years to get the real hang of it. So to put this one on, what I've done, I've decided to place the system on my head, and weirdly, when you put a skin system on like this, it almost forms like a suction to your scalp somehow. I don't know, I can't explain it, but it doesn't really move too much when you do it like this. With no adhesive, you just put it on. And so I thought that would be a good way to hold it where it needs to be and start from the front and then do the back. So the first thing I do is line up the front where I want the hairline to be. I always have it to my top wrinkle. And then I check the back to make sure it's not too far over or that it's covering at least the whole patch. So then what I do, I remove the front and push that back. And as you can see, it doesn't move. It stays exactly where it's supposed to be. And then I glue my scalp where I want that front bit to go. And then I do the exact same to the system. I use here, for easier application, you remember glue sticks you used at school when you were young? I found some online. I thought, what a great idea. And then as you can see, I'm putting it on the base. And then once that's dried, I very dramatically and slowly put the front down. I then repeat the process on the back, leave that glue to dry and slowly work it onto my scalp. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much to Lavivid for sending me this gorgeous hair. Thank you for watching. I've been Mikey.